Install the saw blade. Tool setting. Click Automatic Tool Setting. Wait for the tool setting to complete. Use the remote control to move the machine head to the surface of the table panel. Click the button to capture the saw blade's Z-axis. Load the board. Measure the board thickness. Click to take a photo. Enter the board thickness. Select rectangular cutting. Move the rectangular pattern to the cutting position. Set the cutting depth. Click to generate code. After generation is completed, click Start to begin cutting. After cutting is completed, click to take a photo again. Check whether the position is accurate. If it does not correspond, modify the offset parameters. Click the permission button. Enter the administrator password. Click this button. Modify X-axis and Y-axis parameters. Take a photo again after modification. Click to generate code. Repeat the rectangular cutting operation. If there is still an offset, modify the parameters until the calibration is correct.